guys, Litre and Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Hyundai i30, stock number 7132. Trimmed on the 3rd 2012 and the 2nd 2017. Here's a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,